Hello, hello, hello. I knew you wanted to learn some English today, so I'm glad you came back. And believe it or not, this is lesson 21. Yeah, oh my gosh. And we're going to work on some more sounds that have really strong R sounds in them. In today's lesson, we're going to be covering words that have W-A-R, W-O-R sounds. And the one thing you'll get out of all these words is you're going to notice how strong R is, especially in this American English. So I want you to listen closely, like, what's one of the words we got coming up? Warm. And that's the W-A-R, warm. It's warm outside. Then you get kind of more sound if I say the word worm. Okay, or if I say Ford, listen to the little differences as I read the vocabulary today, and just learn something. I know you will. These lessons are always good if you pay attention. So let's get on with this lesson and have some fun. Okay, I want you to have a good time following me. Okay, here we go with the special sound W-A-R and W-O-O-R. Just repeat after me and follow me and listen again to how strong the R is in these words, and it'll help you with the pronunciation. So line 1 is WOR. Worm. So that's a totally different sound, even though they have the OR and the ARs in here. Next word is warm. So see, there's a big difference between worm and warm. So just mimic what I say. Worth. Line number 2, work. Ward. And this one is hard for many people to say, for some because of the L. World. And if you you'll hear the L in my voice. Repeat after me. World. Wharf. Line number 3, warp. Warden. Worse. And we have the boy's name here, Warren. Line number 4, worthy. Worst. Dwarf. Hear that DW? Dwarf. Wart. Line number 5, warn. Worry. Forward. Worsen. Line number 6, swarm. Works. Backward. Words. Line number 7, worms. Working. Thwart. All right, here's where we're using this TH. Thwart. Warming. take a look at some sentences. All right, we got 5 sentences. Sentence number 1. The warm scarf is worth a lot. The warm scarf is worth a lot. Sentence number 2. We will be working soon because it's warming. Let me repeat this one. We will be working soon because it's warming. Sentence number 3. The warden worries about worms. The warden worries about worms. Sentence number 4. Worthy work can be found at the wharf. Repeat after me now. Worthy work can be found at the wharf. And our last sentence, number 5, dwarf worms swarm backwards. Dwarf worms swarm backwards. And that's it. That's our lesson for today, using the WAR sound and the WOR sound. And again, like I always say, just practice, 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 and listen to these as many times as you need to and get that good pronunciation. But we'll see you in our next lesson, so have a great day.